Hello students, today we are going to study a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Up You Go. In this chapter, you will learn about different adventurous sports. You will also learn about various responsibilities of the group leader. Up You Go. Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkashi. We were at the mountaineering camp and were very excited. 20 of us were teachers from Kendriya Vidyalayas. There were other women from banks and other institutions. Today was the second day of the camp. In the morning, as I got out of bed and put my foot down, I screamed in pain. I remembered yesterday's 26-kilometer walk with the heavy rucksack on my back. I was afraid to go back to that steep climb and the rough, narrow path. With tears in my eyes, I started walking slowly towards the room of Brigadier Gyan Singh, the director of our adventure course. I was thinking of what I would say to excuse myself from that day's trek. Suddenly, I heard his deep voice from behind. Madam, what are you doing here at breakfast time? Hurry up, otherwise, you will have to trek on an empty stomach. Sir, I could not say any more. You have come to tell me that you have blisters on your feet, that you cannot walk, isn't it? Yes, sir. That is nothing new. Now get ready quickly. Here you learn about Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Nehru Institute of Mountaineering is rated as one of the best mountaineering institutes in India and also considered as the most prestigious mountaineering institute in Asia. Here are some pictures of Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Here you can see different mountaineers are taking training. Now let us come to this slide. Here you can see the picture of Brigadier Gyan Singh. Brigadier Gyan Singh was awarded the Padma Shri in 1961. He was the first principal of the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. He was also awarded the IMF Gold Medal in 1993 for his outstanding contribution in the field of mountaineering. Lure of Everest, Peak to Peak are some of the books he wrote. Now move on to the chapter. I hung my head and rushed back to get ready. I had just turned when I heard his voice again. Listen, ma'am, you will lead up group number 7. You will have to help any member who has difficulty climbing the mountain. You have already been told about the responsibilities of a group leader in the mountains. Now let us come to know what are the responsibilities of a group leader. I started thinking about what a group leader must do. The first responsibility is to help others in carrying their bags, help the group go ahead and keep to the last, help those who cannot climb properly, find a good place to stop and rest, look after those who are not well, arrange for food for the camp. And the most important thing is to be ready to be punished even when someone else may have made a mistake. I realized that there was a special kind of discipline here. I wondered whether the camp will still be fun. Here, again, responsibility of a group leader is mentioned. The first is help others in carrying their bags. Let the group go ahead and keep to the last. Help those who cannot climb properly. Find a good place to stop and rest. Look after those who are not well. Arrange for food for the group. The most important thing is to be ready to be punished even when someone else may have made a mistake. Group number 7. Here some information is given about the group number 7. The members of the group members included girls from Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya and Nagaland. I was the only teacher from Kendriya Vidyalaya in this group. I was happy to meet my new group members Most of them could not speak Hindi well. I still feel bad that after being together for 21 days, I could not talk even once with Khondonbi from Mizoram. She spoke only Mizo, but in our hearts we grew close to each other. Adventurous activities like mountaineering, there are various kind of adventure activities done in India. Some of the best adventure are trekking, parasailing, rock climbing, scuba diving and many more. This is a picture of paragliding. You can see a person is flying with the help of parachute. Rafting, bungee jumping, parasailing, rock climbing, scuba diving. So these were some pictures of various adventurous activities. Thank you and have a nice day.